The largest megachurches in America own private jets worth tens of millions, luxury mansions, shopping centers, and restaurants, yet they pay $0 in property taxes, income taxes, or business taxes. Collectively, megachurches avoid paying an estimated $100 billion in taxes annually, while regular taxpayers foot the bill for the roads, police, and fire services these massive operations require. This isn't about faith, it's about a tax loophole that's grown into a $100 billion industry hiding behind religious exemptions. To understand the scale, consider that Walmart pays over $7 billion in taxes annually on roughly $600 billion in revenue. But Lakewood Church, with Joel Osteen, operates on a $90 million annual budget and pays essentially nothing in taxes while using the same public infrastructure as any major business. The top 50 megachurches in America control assets worth over $50 billion, equivalent to a Fortune 500 company, yet contribute nothing to the tax base that supports the communities they operate in. These exemptions were originally designed for small community churches with modest budgets serving local congregations. Today, they shelter enterprises that generate hundreds of millions in revenue and operate like multinational corporations. Kenneth Copeland's ministry owns 4 private jets, including a $36 million Gulfstream V, plus a $6 million lakefront mansion on 1,500 acres, all tax-exempt. When questioned about the jets, Copeland said he needs them to avoid flying with demons on commercial flights. Creflo Dollar's ministry owns 2 Rolls-Royces, a $2.5 million Manhattan apartment, and a $1 million home in Atlanta. His congregation even fundraised $65 million for a new private jet, claiming it was essential for ministry work. Joyce Meyer's ministry has paid for her family's $10 million private jet, a $500,000 Bentley, and multiple luxury homes. The organization's $100 million annual revenue is completely tax-free, while regular taxpayers support the infrastructure her operations depend on. Benny Hinn's ministry owns a $10 million seaside mansion, luxury cars, and private aircraft. His organization has generated over $200 million in donations over the past decade, all flowing through tax-exempt channels. Many megachurches operate extensive for-profit businesses under their tax-exempt umbrella. Lakewood Church runs a bookstore, cafe, and merchandise operation that would be taxable if operated by anyone else. Their facility, a former NBA arena, generates revenue through events and rentals. Hillsong Church operates restaurants, retail stores, and entertainment venues across multiple states. These businesses compete directly with tax-paying enterprises while enjoying unfair tax advantages. Some megachurches even own shopping malls, apartment complexes, and commercial real estate portfolios worth hundreds of millions, all exempt from property taxes that fund local schools, police, and fire departments. When megachurches avoid property taxes, local taxpayers must make up the difference. In Houston, if Lakewood Church paid property taxes like other large venues, it would contribute over $1 million annually to fund schools and emergency services. These massive operations require significant public services, police security for large events, fire department coverage, road maintenance from heavy traffic, and emergency services. Yet they contribute nothing to fund these essential services. The tax burden shifts to regular homeowners and small businesses who must pay higher rates to compensate for the megachurch's exemptions. A middle-class family essentially subsidizes millionaire pastors' luxury lifestyles through their tax dollars. Some communities have tried to challenge these exemptions, but megachurches employ teams of lawyers and lobbyists to protect their tax-free status, often spending millions on legal fees that could have gone to actual charitable work. Religious tax exemptions serve an important purpose for genuine charitable work and community service. But when they're used to shelter luxury lifestyles and corporate-scale operations, they become a massive subsidy for wealth accumulation at taxpayers' expense. The $100 billion in annual tax avoidance by megachurches represents money that could fund schools, infrastructure, and public services, while allowing these organizations to operate more like businesses than traditional religious. If this revelation about megachurch tax exemptions opened your eyes to how religious organizations can exploit tax laws, hit subscribe for more videos that expose the hidden financial truths behind powerful institutions.